ChatGPT has been a game changer when it comes to natural language processing. But what if we told you there's a secret plugin that can take its performance to a whole new level? In this video, we'll be uncovering the incredible plugin designed to enhance ChatGPT's abilities in ways you won't believe. Before we reveal the secret plugin, let's quickly recap what ChatGPT is and what the plugins can do. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has become a leading and revolutionary tool in the realm of conversational AI, offering the ability to produce human-like text. Its impact spans across different industries and applications, from intelligent virtual assistants to customer support bots and beyond. The introduction of ChatGPT has not only brought transformative changes, but has also opened up new opportunities for businesses and developers to craft interactive and dynamic conversational agents that can cater to a wide range of consumer preferences and needs. Although ChatGPT already serves as a strong foundation for building chatbots, the true potential of this technology can be further magnified through the integration of plugins. By harnessing these plugins, developers can unlock additional functionalities and capabilities, propelling their chatbots to new heights of intelligence and efficiency. Introducing ChatGPT plugins, which are innovative extensions designed to enhance the functionalities of the ChatGPT platform. As the conversational AI ecosystem evolves, a wide variety of plugins have emerged, catering to diverse use cases and industries. While the exact number of plugins may vary due to ongoing development, their collective impact on conversational AI is unquestionable. ChatGPT plugins cover a broad range of categories and serve multiple purposes. For instance, some plugins focus on improving the natural language understanding of chatbots, empowering them to better comprehend and interpret user inputs by leveraging advanced techniques like named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and intent detection. These language understanding plugins enable chatbots to grasp user sentiments and intentions, resulting in more precise and contextually relevant responses. This, in turn, fosters more personalized and empathetic interactions with users. Additionally, there are plugins that facilitate access to external APIs, enabling chatbots to connect with various online services and data sources. This integration allows chatbots to provide real-time information, making them effective tools for delivering up-to-date news, weather updates, stock prices, and more. Moreover, leveraging third-party APIs allows chatbots to assist users with tasks like booking flights, making hotel reservations, or placing orders at their favorite restaurants, all within the conversational interface. Some plugins focus on incorporating advanced machine learning models into chatbots, which lies at the core of conversational AI. By integrating machine learning plugins, developers can enhance the chatbot's language generation capabilities, resulting in more coherent, fluent, and human-like responses. These plugins also enable chatbots to learn from user interactions, continuously improving their performance and tailoring responses to suit individual user preferences. E-commerce integration is another pivotal area where plugins play a significant role. By connecting chatbots with e-commerce platforms, businesses can seamlessly provide personalized product recommendations, handle orders, address customer inquiries, and offer post-purchase support. This integration elevates the overall shopping experience, making it more convenient and efficient for users. Moreover, content generation plugins prove particularly valuable for content-heavy industries such as media, publishing, and marketing. These plugins empower chatbots to generate engaging and informative content such as articles, blog posts, marketing copy, and social media posts, thereby saving time and effort for content creators while ensuring adherence to brand guidelines. As the world of conversational AI evolves, so does the landscape of ChatGPT plugins. The bright future of conversational AI is driven by ChatGPT's expanding library of plugins, keeping it at the forefront of innovation and advancement. Introducing the groundbreaking Prompt Perfect, a secret plugin that promises to elevate ChatGPT's performance to unprecedented levels and revolutionize the world of conversational AI. Now that we've revealed a closely kept secret that can significantly increase ChatGPT's contextual awareness and coherence in conversations, it's time to unleash its potential like never before. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has already significantly impacted various industries, impressing users with its ability to generate text that closely resembles human language. However, with the addition of Prompt Perfect, ChatGPT's capabilities take a giant leap forward, empowering developers and businesses to create even more intelligent and adaptable conversational agents. Serving as the first and only prompt optimizer designed for any AI model, this plugin automatically optimizes prompts by evaluating user inputs and transforming them into clearer, more specific, and contextually relevant queries. Powered by the GPT 3.5 Turbo model, Prompt Perfect introduces a new dimension of contextual awareness, granting ChatGPT a deeper understanding of the ongoing conversation and user intent. As a result, the chatbot delivers responses that are remarkably human-like, precise, and contextually appropriate, greatly enhancing the overall conversational experience. Unlike traditional language models that struggle with context due to vague prompts, Prompt Perfect empowers AI enthusiasts to craft informative and tailored queries, enabling ChatGPT to effectively handle complex queries and provide accurate, relevant responses. With Prompt Perfect, imagine interacting with a chatbot that not only answers your questions, but also comprehends the flow of the conversation, delivering coherent responses within the context of the ongoing dialogue. This plugin makes this vision a reality, enabling ChatGPT to engage users in natural and meaningful interactions. Moreover, Prompt Perfect serves as a catalyst for unleashing ChatGPT's creativity. By adjusting prompts to encourage creative thinking, this plugin empowers ChatGPT to generate even more imaginative and innovative outputs, proving it valuable for content creators, marketers, and writers seeking fresh ideas and engaging content. With Prompt Perfect, ChatGPT transcends domain boundaries, becoming a versatile tool for various industries seeking innovative approaches to problem-solving, content creation, and education. The possibilities are limitless as this transformative plugin opens new doors for enhanced conversational experiences, content generation, and personalized learning. The future of conversational AI looks brighter than ever with Prompt Perfect at the helm, and we are eager to witness the remarkable ways in which this technology will shape the landscape of AI-powered interactions. The integration of Prompt Perfect unlocks a wealth of creativity for writers, marketers, and content creators, offering an invaluable tool to brainstorm ideas, craft engaging stories, and generate artistic content. This newfound creativity extends beyond specific domains, making ChatGPT a versatile resource for industries seeking novel problem-solving and content creation approaches. Whether it's developing captivating marketing campaigns or crafting compelling narratives, ChatGPT becomes a valuable creative partner that enhances human creativity. The add-on greatly increases how much AI is used to solve problems. By optimizing prompts for specific problem-solving techniques or domains, ChatGPT becomes an even more powerful resource for tackling complex challenges. Developers and engineers can leverage ChatGPT with Prompt Perfect to obtain intelligent coding assistance, debugging support, and algorithmic insights, streamlining development processes and boosting overall efficiency. It becomes a valuable assistant for professionals working on intricate projects, facilitating creative problem-solving and offering insights that lead to innovative solutions. In the realm of education, Prompt Perfect opens up exciting possibilities. As an intelligent tutor, ChatGPT can now offer individualized instruction catering to each student's requirements and learning preferences. By understanding the context of students' queries or learning objectives, ChatGPT offers context-based explanations, relevant examples, and practice questions. This personalized approach enhances the learning process and promotes a deeper comprehension of the subject matter, leading to improved retention and academic performance. Students gain access to an AI-powered tutor that answers their questions and adapts responses to match their knowledge levels and learning preferences. Prompt Perfect is a game-changing plugin that elevates ChatGPT's performance to unprecedented heights. Its enhanced contextual awareness, creativity, problem-solving capabilities, and personalized learning experiences make ChatGPT an indispensable tool across various industries. The future of ChatGPT with Prompt Perfect is exceptionally bright, and we eagerly anticipate witnessing the extraordinary ways this technology will shape the landscape of conversational AI. And there you have it, the exciting revelation of the secret plugin that can truly supercharge ChatGPT's performance. With its enhanced contextual understanding, improved training data, and reduced response latency, this plugin has the potential to fundamentally alter how we communicate with AI language models. If you're a content creator looking to effortlessly create engaging content, a business owner aiming to offer exceptional customer support, or simply a user seeking personalized learning and assistance, everyone can benefit from the plugin's exceptional features. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Check the links in the video description below to access the secret plugin and unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest AI innovations and exciting developments. Thank you for watching and happy exploring ChatGPT and the secret plugin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing AI discoveries and updates. Like and share this video with your friends, and let's take AI language models to new heights together.